In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get read receipt confirming email viewed in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to request a read receipt. Whether you are using the new Outlook, Outlook on the web, or classic Outlook for Windows. First, a quick bit of context. A read receipt is a request you add to an email that asks the recipient's mail app to let you know when the message was opened. It's helpful for important messages like contracts or time-sensitive notices. Keep in mind though, read receipts aren't guaranteed. Recipients can decline to send them and some organizations turn them off for privacy or security. Think of them as a courtesy signal, not a legally binding confirmation. If you are using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, start by composing your email as usual. At the top of the message window, select the Options tab. If you don't immediately see the setting you need, click the More Options button, which looks like 3 dots. In that menu, choose Request a Read Receipt. That's it. Finish your message and send it. If the recipient's email system honors the request, you'll receive a confirmation that the message was viewed. If you are on Classic Outlook for Windows, the process is similar. Open a new message and go to the Options tab in the ribbon. In the Tracking group, check the box labeled Request a Read Receipt. Then send your email as normal. Again, you'll get a confirmation only if the recipient's environment allows it. Classic Outlook also gives you a way to request read receipts automatically on every message you send, which can be useful for consistent tracking. To turn that on, go to the File tab and select Options. In the left-hand menu, click Mail. Scroll down to the Tracking section, then check the box for Read Receipt, confirming the recipient viewed the message. Click OK to save your changes. From now on, your outgoing emails will include a read receipt request by default. Note that this all email setting is currently available only in the classic desktop version of Outlook for Windows. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Use read receipts thoughtfully. Not every email needs one, and frequent requests can feel intrusive. If you only need proof that a message reached the recipient's server, consider a delivery receipt instead. But remember that delivery is not the same as being read. That's all you need to start using read receipts in Outlook. Thanks for watching.